Valentine's Day is coming and we need to get cute. Whether you have a date, a girl's night, or just want to feel extra pretty, this look is gonna have you feeling yourself soft, flirty, and beginner friendly. So let's dive into it. Okay, confession time, yeah. My ever Valentine makeup look, a hot mess. I went overboard with red. My eyeliner was fighting for its life, and by the end of the night, my face was gone. But don't worry, I've learned from my mistakes. Okay, so today we'll be doing something cute, effortless, and actually wearable. So first thing first here, your skincare. If your base isn't looking smooth, your makeup will snitch on you. You heard me. What I'm using, I use Cetaphil moisturizer, and my primer is illegal primer, right? The essence is to keep my skin hydrated and prepped, because a flawless beat starts with good skin, and they're very much affordable. Yes, I recommend. After applying the primer, I allowed it to dry. Then next up, I went in with my classic mattifying primer to apply it on my T-zone areas in order to control oil or sweats. Okay. Now for my foundation, we are going for a natural flawless base. So I'm using Ava foundation. A little goes a long way. And here is a trick. Always blend down to your neck. We are not catfishing anyone today. Okay? Now, a soft contour to bring back some shape to the face. Nothing crazy, just a little definition to make the cheekbones pop, because we are serving romantic main character energy today. You guys already know that blush is non-negotiable for this look. I'm using my cheek palette to give that cute, flushed, just got a sweet text glow. Okay? A little on the nose to make it extra adorable, right? Next up is concealer, and I'm using LA Girl concealer. I don't know about you, but my dark circles, they don't take breaks. So we are brightening the under eyes, blending it out, and suddenly I look like I got 8 hours of sleep instead of 4. The essence of applying concealer towards the outer corner of the eye is to lift the eyes. So all you need to do is to blend properly, because you don't want harsh lines in this our romantic look. Not at all. No. So after blending my concealer, next up is to do my nose contour, and I'm using my Avoa foundation but in a darker shade for it. So you don't need to go crazy, just build using a flat brush. All right. So I needed my under eye to pop. That's why I'm going in with another brighter concealer for my under eye. After blending out the second concealer, the next thing you need to do is to lock in your makeup with a setting spray. I use Kiss Beauty for this. So allow it to dry, then move over to the powder process. First, set your under eye, okay? And for setting, you will press into the skin and build. And the places you'll be setting will be the highlighted areas, right? Then go in with a powder that is your shade on the entire face. Next up, you go in with your contour powder to bring back warmth to the face, right? And equally add your powder blush, very, very necessary. Next, you move over to your nose contour. Just know that every cream process you did, you are going to do the powder process. That is the rule for this makeup. After that, you set again with your setting spray, then move over to baking. For baking, you are placing the product under your eye. So for the eyebrows, you use a spoolie brush to brush out your brows. Then go in with hair wax or brow trimmer if you have, to put your brows in place. After that, take a powder with your beauty blender to set the brows. Okay, so that it will enable you to be able to line it properly. For these brows, we are keeping them soft and natural. I'm just filling in the gaps and brushing them up, because harsh brows, they are not invited to this Valentine's look. When concealing the eyebrows, the trick here is start from the brow bones. That will enable you to conceal properly, rather, and you will not make mistakes. Your hands won't shake. Okay? Then moving to blending out the concealer using a blending brush. You know, eye is the main attraction. So first thing first, I'm using my LA Girl concealer for the eyeshadow base. Okay, you can use your brow trimmer for this. And after that, I used a neutral brown to blend it out properly. You know, time for the eyes, I need to use a soft pink, because Valentine is that perfect time to just go extra, a little bit extra, you know. So I'll just blend and blend until it's looking very, very seamless. For eyeliner, a flirty wink, yes, please. But here is the secret: black eyeliner, not brown, is softer, more romantic, and way easier to work with. So you don't mess things up with your work. If your wings never match, just smudge it out and pretend it was on purpose. Yes. You see, for this look, mascara is a must. Whether you are a forces girl or just sticking to mascara, don't skip this step. The eyes need to pop. And remember, clumpy lashes are not part of the Valentine's vibe. You know that lips complete the look, so I'm lining with a soft brown because lining your lips makes all the difference. Then we are adding a soft pink and also nude for that kissable juicy lip moment. Even if you are only kissing your pillow tonight, at least your lips will be ready for that. And that's it. A soft, flirty Valentine's look that is giving effortless beauty. And I woke up like these vibes. Now tell me, what's your Valentine's plan? A date night, a solo self-care, or girls' night out? Let's chat in the comment section. And if you try this look, tag me. I want to see all the slay. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And equally follow me on my social media platform, link in my bio. And turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.